Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, everything you need to know. Are you looking to upgrade to the next level of smartphone technology but aren't sure which one you want? The new Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have arrived and they're loaded with features that will blow your mind. From the stunning designs to the over-the-top camera lines and lightning-fast performance, these phones have everything. Don't miss out on all the details. Join us as we explore everything that you need to know about the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. If you want to stay up to date on the newest gadgets, apps, and innovations, make sure you join Next Up by subscribing now. We'll keep you in the loop on the latest developments and provide tips, tricks, and tutorials to help you get the most out of your tech. So don't miss out, become a part of this amazing experience, and always stay ahead of the curve. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, these two devices are definitely worth considering. Google has a reputation for creating high-quality products, and the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are no exception. In this video, we'll give you an in-depth look at everything they have to offer. From the cameras to the performance and design, we'll cover it all. You'll get a chance to see these phones in action, and we'll provide our thoughts on the strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're an avid photographer, a gamer, or just someone who loves to stay connected, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro all have something to offer. So if you're in the market for a new smartphone that's not only packed with features but also looks absolutely fabulous, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro might be what you're looking for. These phones are the epitome of style and substance with a sleek and modern design that'll turn heads wherever you go. The smartphones come in a range of colors including just black, clearly white, and sort of sage, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. With a high screen-to-body ratio and minimal bezel around the edges of the display, these phones offer an immersive viewing experience that's not only compact and portable. So if you're in the market for a new smartphone that's not only packed with features but also looks fabulous, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are worth considering. What do these phones have to offer in terms of cameras? We've talked about the design of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, but let's be real, the camera is what a lot of people are really interested in. And let's tell you, these phones do not disappoint in the camera department. They're packing some seriously impressive lenses and advanced features that'll make you feel like a professional photographer. On the back of the phones, you'll find a 12.2 megapixel primary camera and a 16 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens. The primary camera has a large 1.4 pixel size, which is basically tech speak for this thing captures a ton of light and detail. It also has optical and electronic image stabilization, which helps you reduce blur and improve low light performance. Translation, your nighttime party pics are still gonna look crystal clear. But the camera features on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro don't stop there. They have a whole range of creative modes to help you get the perfect shot. Night sight allows you to take clear and detailed photos in low light conditions, perfect for those late night bar crawls. Portrait mode lets you blur in the background and focus on your subject so you can take Instagram-worthy selfies. And if you're into close-up shots, there's a super res zoom mode that'll help you get in close without losing quality. Overall, the performances and cameras on the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are over the top and top-notch and versatile. What about the performance and processing power? Well, if you find this interesting and want to learn more about intriguing topics like these, make sure you subscribe and leave a like to join Next Up. Let's also not forget the most important part, the performance. These phones are packed with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, meaning they're super duper fast. No matter what you throw at them, streaming video, playing games, or just frantically switching between apps, they can handle it all with ease. But the performance of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro isn't just limited to the hardware. These phones also come with a range of software features that help optimize the performance and make your phone run even smoother. One such feature is the adaptive battery, using some fancy machine learning magic to optimize battery usage based on your app usage patterns. This means your phone will last longer and be ready to go wherever you need it. In terms of storage, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro have got you covered, because the base model has 128 gigabytes of storage, which is more than enough for most people. If you're a storage hog, there's also options for 256 and 512 gigabytes of storage. The performance of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro is top-notch, with fast processors, plenty of storage, and useful software features, helping to optimize the performance. Software is a big part of any smartphone, so what kind of software does it provide? These phones all come with the latest version of Android 11, packed with all sorts of goodies to make your phone more powerful, secure, and user-friendly. One of the key features of Android 11 is improved privacy and security, with an operating system including new controls for giving apps access to your data and location, as well as more options for managing notifications. If you're worried about apps snooping around where they don't belong, there's a new feature called Scope Storage, helping to prevent them from accessing data they don't need. But Android 11 isn't just about keeping your phone secure, it has a bunch of features to help you stay productive and connected. The notification panel has been redesigned, making it easier to manage your notifications and stay organized. And if you're the type of person who likes to keep conversation going while you're using other apps, there's a new feature called Bubbles, letting you do just that. Overall, the software of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro is top-notch, with a range of new features and improvements that make these phones more powerful, secure, and user-friendly. What about the price of the phones? Are they expensive? We've talked about design, camera, performance, and software of the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro, but there's the all-important question of cost. How much are the phones going to set you back, and what kind of payment options are available? The base model of the Pixel 7 starts at $699, while the base model of the Pixel 7 Pro starts at $799. These prices vary depending on the retailer and location, but they give you an idea of the general price range for these phones. Yeah, they're not exactly budget-friendly, but they come packed with tons of features and benefits, making them worth the investment. If you don't want to fork over all the cash at once, don't worry, because there are plenty of financing and payment plans available. Many retailers and carriers offer plans that allow you to pay for your phone over time, typically with a down payment and then monthly payments until the phone is paid off. Some plans may also include additional benefits like device insurance and access to special deals and discounts. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are stylish and feature-packed smartphones with a sleek and modern design available in various colors. They have a high screen-to-body ratio and minimal bezel for an immersive viewing experience, and have an impressive camera capability with a 12.2-megapixel primary camera and 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens, as well as creative modes like night sight, portrait mode, and super res zoom. They all have fast Qualcomm Snapdragon processors and a range of software features to optimize performance, as well as multiple options for storage. The phones run on Android 11, which has improved privacy and security controls and features to aid productivity and communication. The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are available at a range of price points, with financing and payment plan options available if you need them. If you're interested in what's new in the new iOS 16.2 update, check out this video. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, join next up by subscribing now.